If you're a fan of hot dogs and love the convenience of cooking at home, this Nostalgia Oscar Mayer Extra Large 8 Hot Dog Roller and Bun Toaster Oven is a must-have kitchen appliance. Combining functionality with a touch of nostalgia, this hot dog roller promises to deliver a delightful cooking experience. In this review, we'll explore the features, benefits, and unique aspects of this versatile appliance to help you decide if it's the right fit for your culinary needs. Why choose the Nostalgia Oscar Mayer Hot Dog Roller? The Nostalgia Oscar Mayer Hot Dog Roller is not just another kitchen appliance, it's a gateway to fun, convenient, and delicious meals. Here are the key benefits that set it apart. Versatile cooking, perfect for hot dogs, sausages, egg rolls, and more. All in one design, grill up to 8 hot dogs and warm buns simultaneously. User-friendly, simple operation with an adjustable timer and easy-to-use controls. Classic aesthetic adds a nostalgic touch to any setting. Easy cleanup, removable crumb and drip tray for hassle-free cleaning. Imagine the joy of biting into a perfectly grilled hot dog, topped with your favorite condiments, all from the comfort of your kitchen. The Nostalgia Oscar Mayer Hot Dog Roller makes this possible. With 5 stainless steel rollers at the top to grill hot dogs and 2 non-stick warming racks below for buns, this appliance ensures your hot dogs are heated evenly and your buns are warm and toasty. Transform your ordinary meals into a fun, delicious experience with the Nostalgia Oscar Mayer Hot Dog Roller. Say goodbye to unevenly cooked hot dogs and cold buns. This hot dog roller is not just limited to hot dogs. It's versatile enough to cook egg rolls, pre-cooked chicken dogs, taquitos, turkey dogs, veggie dogs, sausages, and brats. Whether you're hosting a party, having a family dinner, or just craving a quick snack, this appliance has you covered. From traditional hot dogs to veggie sausages, the Nostalgia Oscar Mayer Hot Dog Roller accommodates a variety of foods, making it a versatile addition to your kitchen. The Nostalgia Oscar Mayer Hot Dog Roller features 5 heated grill rollers and 2 non-stick, heated metal oven warming racks. The rolling grill can cook up to 8 hot dogs simultaneously, while the warming racks keep buns and toppings perfectly heated. This all-in-one design simplifies meal preparation, ensuring everything is ready to serve at the same time. Simplify your meal prep with the all-in-one design of the Nostalgia Oscar Mayer Hot Dog Roller, ensuring your hot dogs and buns are perfectly heated together. Cooking with the Nostalgia Oscar Mayer Hot Dog Roller is straightforward and user-friendly. Simply turn on the machine, place your hot dogs and buns, and set the automatic timer. The adjustable toasting timer and stop toasting button allow you to grill your hot dogs to perfection, with see-through doors letting you monitor the cooking process. Effortless cooking is just a button away with the Nostalgia Oscar Mayer Hot Dog Roller. Perfectly grilled hot dogs and warm buns are now within easy reach. The Nostalgia Oscar Mayer Hot Dog Roller boasts a classic design that adds a touch of fun to any party, gathering, or family dinner. Its compact size makes it ideal for dorms, camping trips, picnics, and more. Plus, it includes a cord wrap for easy storage, making it a practical choice for any setting. Bring the charm of classic design to your kitchen with the Nostalgia Oscar Mayer Hot Dog Roller, perfect for any occasion. The adjustable toasting timer ensures that your hot dogs are grilled to your liking, while the stop toasting button provides additional control over the cooking process. This customization feature allows you to achieve the perfect level of doneness for your hot dogs, tailored to your preferences. Enjoy customized cooking with the adjustable settings of the Nostalgia Oscar Mayer Hot Dog Roller, ensuring your hot dogs are grilled just the way you like them. Cleaning up after cooking is often a hassle, but not with the Nostalgia Oscar Mayer Hot Dog Roller. It features a crumb and drip tray that catches bun crumbs and dripping from hot dogs or sausages, making cleanup seamless and straightforward. Simply slide out the tray, discard the contents, and give it a quick rinse. Simplify your post-cooking cleanup with the easy-to-clean crumb and drip tray of the Nostalgia Oscar Mayer Hot Dog Roller. Final thoughts. The Nostalgia Oscar Mayer Extra Large 8 Hot Dog Roller and Bun Toaster Oven is a fantastic addition to any kitchen. Its combination of versatility, ease of use, and charming design makes it a valuable tool for anyone who enjoys grilled foods. Whether you're cooking for a crowd or just whipping up a quick meal, this hot dog roller delivers consistent, delicious results with minimal effort. Investing in the Nostalgia Oscar Mayer Hot Dog Roller means embracing convenience, efficiency, and a bit of nostalgia. It's the perfect solution for enjoying grilled foods year-round, no matter the occasion or setting. Don't miss out on the opportunity to enhance your culinary experience with this delightful appliance. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.